Hey guys, I'm Shawari from Hooked in Looks. Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a vlog tutorial. So today I will be showing you how to make an ice cream very easily. For this I'm using the Weikfield freeze ice cream mix in chocolate flavor, and the steps are written here. This is a 5-step process and it seems quite easy. This is my first time too. So let's show you how I'm making this, and without wasting any time, let's go to the kitchen. As I mentioned, I'm using the Weikfield freeze ice cream mix chocolate flavor. So the price is mentioned here. This is priced at 50 rupees. You need to set the temperature of the freezer to the lowest temperature 30 minutes before making your ice cream. As you can see, I've already set the temperature to the lowest temperature. So let your freezer to cool down and then start making your ice cream 30 minutes later. So we are using this 500 ml milk packets, and we will put the content into this container slowly. Okay. So now we will boil our milk for some time. So as you can see, the milk has started to boil. Now we will add this entire content into this milk. Start stirring it. Make sure the consistency is even and no globules are formed. And let it boil till the mixture thickens a little bit. Is more or less ready. We will stop our oven and then we will transfer the mixture into a container. So the mixture is completely ready. Now we will place our container into the freezer and let it cool down for 2 to 3 hours. So meet you after some time. After you take out the mixture from the freezer, you need to blend it, but since we do not have a blender at present, we are just mixing it properly with the spoon, and then we will allow it to rest overnight in the freezer again. So this is a very good technique for blending the mixture. Our ice cream is ready and it has thickened a lot. Let's see. Oh god, it's looking too yummy. Wow, look at it. This is really yummy and you should really make this. This is easy to make and this is really tasty, so please try this out. So for today our vlog comes to an end. So thank you, bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.